Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget review. Today we have something super useful product for those who want to connect modern devices with HDMI ports to older monitors or projectors with VGA. So it's the HDMI to VGA converter that supports full HD 1080 pixel at 60 Hz. So let's unbox it and check it out, its features and test it out. Let's get started. Here's the box. You can see here it has some features. Efficient data transmission, multifunction applications we can also use for mirror mode, extend mode, and plug and play 1080 pixel HD. And on the back you can see it has some structure that you can unable to understand how it's gonna work, and has some specification. Input is HDMI male and output is VGA female, and plug and play design ensures a quick and easy setup. So let's first unpack it and unbox it. So in the box we get this HDMI to VGA converter itself and a user manual. So let's take a closer look. On one side we have the HDMI input, here you can see, and on the other side we have this VGA output for your monitor or projector. This converter supports up to 1920 to 1080 resolution with full HD at 60 Hz. Plug and play, no drivers needed. Very compact and lightweight design, compatible with laptops, desktops, Raspberry Pi and game consoles and your TV stations and TVs also. So guys, setting up is very simple. So firstly guys, you can see here on my monitor there is no VGA port, so I have to insert my HDMI for using this monitor. So first of all, to use this converter you need a VGA cable to just connect your laptop or any device. Connect this HDMI side to your laptop or device or any monitor. I am connecting to my monitor, and connect this VGA cable from the adapter to your monitor or projector. I am connecting to my laptop. So as you can see, the display output is working perfectly. We are running at 1080 pixel and 60 Hz, and the quality looks sharp and clear. The colors are well balanced and there is no noticeable lags. Now about its pros and cons. The process, so it has full HD support at 60 Hz, plug and play, easy to use, compact and portable. And about its cons, so it has only VGA to HDMI converter. No extra USB or any input is given. That's it for guys. This HDMI to VGA converter for 1080 pixel at 60 Hz. A simple affordable way to connect modern devices to older displays. Perfect for presentations, classrooms or even retro gaming setups. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our TechnoWaves channel for more unboxing tech reviews.